Hey besties, so this is how I've made 105 USDT in the last month. Yes, you heard me. I made 105 USDT in the last month, practically doing nothing. And I know a lot of us are tired of Telegram airdrop projects, and that when they list, the eventually list dust after we spend like so much mining, right? So much time, not only time, also spend our resources paying with sun and stars. But what if I told you that there are still projects out here that are also on Telegram that they pay you just for you signing up and for you referring. Now I'm going to show you proof. Yes, I'm going to show you proof, and so that you see. So this is my Bybit account, and this is under deposit. That is fund or asset that has been sent into my Bybit account. So in the past 1 month, I've gotten 105 USDT. Just look at this, 105 USDT, practically doing nothing. So if you want to know exactly what I did on Telegram, not outside Telegram, that gave me this 105 USDT, then please stick to the end of this video because there's some things I'm going to be sharing. And if you miss any of it, trust me, you're going to have yourself to be blamed. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything: crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side where I'm waiting for that job offer, or even as a side also. I also share my no-feel commercial recipes on cakes, small chops, food trays, commercial drinks, and so much more. So this channel is that channel you want to subscribe to. So yes, this is how I've earned 105 USDT on Telegram, practically doing nothing. So I'm just going to go to my Telegram and show you exactly what I did. On this particular app is on Telegram, and the link to the app is in my description box of this particular video. I've talked about this particular app about 3 to 4 times now, and it is 100% legit. It is not Ponzi. Now I've only credited this particular app with as little as 1.7 SU coin, or SU tokens, or SU coin. That is all I have deposited, and it has grown over time and has earned me 105 USDT. Now if you have been following my vlog channel, you know that I am one YouTube content creator that will not only share with you the process, but will also walk along the way with you and share with you updates. And if it's not working, I will definitely come back here to say, guys, it is not working. You can also see that this is my brand name. For those of you who have been following me for a while now, you know that I am also a pastry chef, and this is my brand name. So that you know that it is legit. Now I've only deposited 1.7 SU into this particular app, and then it has grown over time. The net ROI has grown over time till it got to 4%, and then I'm now earning on that 4% on a daily basis for the next 100 days. Now I have 90 days left. I will share links to the previous videos I shared so that you can know exactly how this works. But I'm going to just walk you through the process. So the first thing you want to do on this particular app is to deposit a minimum of 1 SU. A minimum of 1 SU. I would advise to deposit about 1.2 SU so that it covers the transaction fee. So once deposit 1.2 SU, you come down here that is showing deposits. You click on this deposit. It is a must. You click on this deposit, and then you will come here and you are going to click on initialize stake. So how do you deposit? You need to join via the link I'm going to be dropping in the description box or in my first pinned comments. Guys, description box or in my first pinned comments, you need to click on that link and you directly be joining and be earning, like earning where you're doing nothing. No, we're not, there's no mining, there's no daily tap, there's no daily login, none of those stacks, and you're not paying with ton transaction or stars. No, you're just making a minimum of one suit deposit. That is all. So once you join by the link in the description box of this video, now you need to join by the link in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment, because without joining by that link you're not going to get a deposit address. So what, in other words, it is mandatory that you join via a referral link. It is compulsory. If you don't join by a referral link, you're not going to be getting a deposit address. So once you've joined, you click on the start. I showed a video on how to do that. Then you come here under where it shows deposit. Then you come here and click on this to copy your Sussy wallet address, and then you copy it here. If you don't see this wallet address in this place, it means that you did not join by the description, by the link in the description box of this video, because it is only when you join by referral link that's when you're going to get your deposit address, just like this. And then once you've joined, you make and you've copied your deposit address, you are now going to go to your preferred exchange platform. I use Bybit. I'm a Bybit person. Or you can use Gate.io, you can use Bitcoin, you can use Gate.io, you can use KuCoin rather. You go there, you make a transfer of at least 1.2 or 1.1 Sussy. I've shared a detailed video on how I did that. I'm going to drop the link in the description box of this video, or in description box. So once you've done that and you've deposited, wait for about 15 minutes. Then you now come back to the app and click again on deposit. Once you click again on deposit, you will now come here and initialize stake. You come here and initialize stake. If you don't come here to initialize stake, you're not going to be seeing your fund in this place. You won't see your fund here. So you must come and initialize stake there to see your funds. So once you've initialized stake, it means that you're already staking what you deposited. Now, once you've done that, another thing you need to do is to come here and copy your link. Just copy this, invite friends, and then you share this your link to your colleagues, your friends, and acquaintances, even enemies. Trust me, it's one of the fastest way to earn on this platform. So once you've copied your link, you paste it somewhere you're not going to forget. Then that's showing net ROI. It's going to be showing 1.5% for you. What this means is, in the next 5 days that you staked your coins, you're going to be earning a percentage of 1.5 every day. 1.5 every day for the next 5 days. Now let me say something. If you want your earnings to be faster, refer friends. The more friends you refer, the more your own earnings increases. That is the fastest route. Now if you don't want to refer friends, it's also fine, but your earnings is not going to be as fast as it's supposed to be, or as fast as mine was. So the more you refer friends, the more you're going to earn more. That is the trick about it. Once your earnings has gotten to 5 days, that is the first 5 days, that 1.5% that you are seeing here is going to change, and it's going to keep increasing and increasing and increasing till it gets to 4%. Now I am on 4%. Once it gets to 4%, you will see a countdown here. You see a countdown in this particular place here, and that countdown is going to show 100 days and then 99 days left, like that. I'm on 90 days left, just like you can see here, and I'm earning 4% every day for the next 100 days. Now at the end of 100 days, we now like close the accounts. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense to you. You close the account. That is, you have the right to withdraw everything you have in this account, both your initial deposit and your available earnings. Now, before that 100 days ends, you can also still make withdrawals within that 100 before the 100 days ends. In fact, then before the 100 days time frame start counting, your 100 days time frame start counting once your net ROI hits 4%. Once your net ROI hits 4%, your 100 days start counting. So even before your 100 days start counting, you can make withdrawals anytime. That's one beautiful thing I love about this app. You can make your withdrawal anytime as far as you have a minimum of 1 SU. If you have a minimum of 1 SU, you can make your withdrawal anytime of the day. Now you can join my Telegram channel by the link that is also in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment here. So you can make a withdrawals anytime as long as you have a minimum of 1 SU. Trust me, when I said I've earned 105 USDT on this app, I wasn't joking or trying to. It's not a marketing scheme, it is a fact, and I've shared severally on my Telegram channel and even here on YouTube my earnings so far. So the fastest route to earn is by referring. So even if you don't refer, you're still going to earn. You're still going to earn. You're still going to earn on your initially stake SU coins, but it's not going to be as fast as someone who refers. Yes, so I already walked through the process, and if you are already tired of mining Telegram airdrop project that is actually not paying you anything, listing plus at the end of the day, I think you should invest in this project. Invest in this project and thank me later. So that is all for me for now. See you in the subsequent video, and bye for now.